How to make a hair salon website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a hair salon website within your Wix platform. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account like always, and if you're going to be let's say here a beginner for Wix and you haven't created a website, you're not going to find this specific dashboard because it is going to be a accumulation of all the websites that we have created already on Wix. But you're going to find this page instead, and this page is going to be the way for creating a website. You're going to have the choice of trying Wix Studio or create a Wix editor. For those who are familiar with Wix.com and have already some websites, click on create new site and it is going to be very simple. Now click on create on Wix editor, and then we're going basically here to have this Wix ADI thing. So the Wix ADI is going to be an abbreviation for artificial design intelligence. So either you are going to have the AI helping you out for creating your website, which is going to be very simple, by answering some of the few questions that it is going to be having your attention right there, or it is going to be something related to standard methods or the old way methods, by having, for example, here setting up without the chat, and you're going to type in the type of the website, then you're going to choose the template or from the templates. Also, if you have ignored the Wix ADI message, you can go ahead and get it right after you have set up the type of the website and having the theme or the template selected. You can create one with the help of the AI, of course. Now we are going to type in the type of our website. It is going to be here Salon. So we are going to have here a hair site portfolio, hair salon supplies, hair salon itself, and everything. So we are going to click on hair salon only because it is going to be something like that. Now click on continue. As you can see, it is going to create a dashboard specific for the hair salon. So you're going to get basically here a let's say a dashboard, and it is going to give you this window. So you're going to enter the name of the business that you're going to run, because it has read the hair salon is going not to be a standard website but a business. So for example, Jack's or Jack Salon, and the business situation or the address. So you can go ahead and type in the address. For example, I'm going to type in here a random address, for example, from New York, and you're going to have things in here. Basically, if it is going to be a hair salon, it is going to be obliged to have a address. So we're going to click on continue. Here you can go ahead and skip all the steps, but I would like to go through it because it is going to help you out to set up the bookings later. So now we're going to choose the time zone. It is going to be very specific. So basically we are going to set up the working hours and also the working days. So here we are going to work or start work from here 9 from 9 to the from 9 morning. So basically it's not going to be the same language, but it is going to be how it is. So from 9 to 9 it is going to be, I think, good. So we are going to have only one day off, which is going to be Saturday. Click on continue. Services, you can go ahead and have some preset services, and with there all of the needed in here, for example, highlights, men's haircut, gel pedicure, whatever. You can go ahead and have all the hair salon let's say your services. So you can go ahead and have these, or you can create a specific service for yourself. You cannot unfortunately add images from here, but you're going to need them or add them from the image getter. So you can select the type of the service or the service type, appointment, class, course. Of course, it is going to be appointments only. The payment is going to be a paid session or free session. Of course, it is going to be a paid session. For the location, you can go ahead and have the business address. Click on save, and here you have the new service added. Click on continue. Now you can go ahead and add the staff members, for example, just like that. Add their emails if needed, and if not, you're not going to be obliged to put them because you're going to work as a physical business, so no need to the emails. You can name them right there. Click on continue. After that, you're going to set up the payment methods. Not the payment methods exactly, but how you're going to have them. Accept online payments, accept in-person payments. For example, send automated SMS if you're going to have the bookings, and it is going to be obliged. Managed services on the go. Yes, we are going to have them. Physical products and digital products. Maybe you're going to have a collection of, I don't know, brushes, maybe shampoos and etc. It is going to be okay. So to mention them. Click on continue. Now we have finished our dashboard. We can continue to the dashboard just like that. Now, what are we going to do after we have set up everything? We are going to head over the catalog. See the booking services like that. Now we are going to ignore the Wix Studio recommendation. So you can add a card to your website by going to the settings. Synchronize your calendars if you're going to have maybe Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or Calendly. You can go ahead and have these integrations. You can set up the reminders, publish your website afterwards, and manage your staff. Now, these are going to be the services. You can go ahead and set up the availability. So you can see the availability of them, also set up the work schedules. This is the service that we have added. You can go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to add it or edit it right here. Add the image, add the name of it because we have set it as a standard name. You can add a tagline, description, duration of it, the price, and everything about it. The staff necessarily responsible for this service, and etc. Now, we're going to be back for the booking channels. You need some booking integration. You can add, as you can see here, the booking from Google Search and Maps. You can add them by integrating the Google Business, Instagram, Facebook, Hop, and etc. You can have some shareable links right there for service list, service calendar, and etc. Memberships, all these. And the final step is going to have the connection of the payment method. Either you are going to have it from the introduction, or you can go ahead and have it from the settings. Head over settings, click on accept payments, boom. This is your place right there. So depending on the region or the location of the business, as you can see, it is going to be mentioned right there and edited. And normally at any time, you can go ahead and search your region. Then you can, depending on the region, select or connect the payment method. For example, here, we're going to have the credit cards. Here we have the PayPal, manual payments, and you can see more like Cash App, Square, here POS, also the standard Square, the Google Pay, Apple Pay, Klarna, and everything. So, with the payments aside, you can go ahead and have the website set up. Click on the left side of the screen on the setup page or the home page and click on design site. So here we're going to have two choices. Either you are going to work with the generated AI website, which is going to be the Wix ADI, or you can go ahead and create or customize a template. So it is going to be up to you. I'm going to pick a template. Why? Because templates are going to be more, let's say here, specified, and also having more options and multi-pages, of course. So as you can see, we have a lot of hair salon, as you can see, websites. You can go ahead and have pages. It is going to be a lot. Each one of the page normally is going to have a medium amount of 9 to 12 pages or 12 designs. So select the right one for you. For example, you can view any website. For example, like that, you can consult the desktop version or the mobile version. And from here, as you can see or visit or navigate through the pages that we have. And when you are going to like this website, click on edit site, and it is going to load up that website to the account and also the website itself. We're going to wait for the editor to load up, and here we have it. You can enhance some content with the AI about the descriptions and etc. I'm not going to do that. Basically, we have finished all the steps to set up the website. So the left side of the screen is going to be the navigation bar or the control panel, like adding the elements from here, images, text, whatever you want. Control the sections or add sections from here. Control your pages and menus. Edit the styles of the website. Here you can see the app market or Wix app market. We have some very interesting apps right there or integration that you can add to your website to manage your appointments and etc. And all of these. So do not forget when you finish to publish your website and have maybe a domain specified for yourself. And here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.